Hey guys, how are you? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're going to talk about some general driving, service drive, expressway. I want you to enjoy. I'll give you some tips to help you pass your test and to reduce some of your anxiety. What I need you to do is just be patient with the learning process. You will become a good driver. You really need a good coach. I've been doing driver's education almost 24 years. I've been on the social media platform about 4 years. It's been very positive, very fulfilling. I always enjoy helping people learn how to drive. I've done some private lessons, and overall, if you get a chance to really look at my content, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, I'll reply back to you because I really enjoy helping people how to drive. This is a yield sign, so I'm going to look, check, and then I proceed. The speed limit here is 35. If you go over that, you will get a ticket. There was another video yesterday of a person driving really fast through here and they got pulled over. 35 is 35, so we're not going to play with that. This is a good area to drive students. I see the pedestrians to the right. I'm looking left, looking right. Checked my speed. I'm at about 35. I'm looking straight ahead. You should be able to see the broken white line. That separates the left, excuse me, the left and right lane. The other day when I made a training video, the expressway was really full, so I wasn't able. This time, I might be able to get on the expressway and show you how you navigate. So I'm excited, but also got to be really careful. The focus is safety. Safety's no accident. My boss early in my career said that, so I really thought about it, made sense. This is a warning sign. Stop sign ahead. School zone. And then as we come up here, there's a stop sign. So I want to stop for minimum 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. Private driveway. I see the car. I have the right of way, but they may come out. I'm gonna go ahead and get over to the left lane. You see me looking over my shoulder. I really like this director's view. It's pretty cool. And you can really see me driving. I see a car coming off. I'm gonna yield, and there they go. If I didn't yield, they would have hit me. So it's kind of like a romantic dance with cars. And you have, it's timing. Timing is everything. The car has auto shut off, which is great for fuel economy. This is a 2024, I'm not even sure. This is one of our training vehicles. So I'm relaxed, I check my mirror, I'm looking. I don't want to change lanes in the intersection. The lane to the left, past the second light, they have to make a left turn. This lane can go straight or turn left. I'm gonna go straight. And I'm gonna turn on my blinker on. I have some questions about merging on. I'm at 42 right now. I wanna try to fit in behind this burgundy car. So I'm actually on my brakes, and then I let them get ahead of me, and then I accelerate out. That's the scariest thing for a beginner. And then I'm gonna get over one lane. You see me really checking. And then now we have a big traffic slowdown. So I'm gonna be really easy on my brakes and squeeze. And you can see how fast things slow down. If you're not careful, you're going to get rear-ended. And we don't want to get rear-ended. That does bring a little bit of anxiety. We want to rely on ourselves. We don't want to rely on other people putting on brakes. We have to rely on ourselves. That's so important. Then I'm going to gradually feed the throttle. This car takes off really fast. This might have a 10-speed transmission or 8, but each gear is shifting as you push the gas. And I'm trying to be as smooth and deliberate as possible. It's taking my time. Guys on the phone, I'm not judging. I want to be safe. I'm going to make a lane change, mirror, turn signal. My neck really hurts. I slept kind of weird, and the last couple of days it's been really hard for me to look over my shoulder. So you got to look over your shoulder when you check your blind spots. Mirrors won't do it. We're all traveling about 55, and I'm looking left, middle, right, left, middle, right. Are we moving? Are we stopping? I'm always trying to get a picture of, a picture of the environment. And that stop kind of caught me off guard. And that's what happens. So you really, you can't be playing around, be distracted on your phone, eating. That's got to take your time. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to just take my time, keep space. Because the number one reason why people speed is because they're late. I'm not late. I'm not tired. The fuel is a little bit low, but that's my only stressor, and that brings on a little anxiety. Because we all try to make it home or to work, and then you say, oh, I'll get fuel on the way home, or I'll get fuel on the way to work, or I'll get fuel, but you never do it. And then you're cutting it to the last second. The most dangerous person is probably all of us. We all tend to be distracted. So I'm just trying to take my time, be patient. Looking ahead, what's going on with brake lights. I need to make a choice. So I'm going to make a choice to get in the middle lane because traffic backs up really fast. The left lane and cars are coming, so now I'm going to squeeze my brakes. If you're going much faster than everyone else, you're probably going to hit someone, rear end someone, because you don't see the environment. The brake lights do mean something. So I'm just taking my time. And you can see all these cars. It does bring on a little bit of anxiety. And I'm just going to keep my space. There's that bar on the truck that keeps us from going under the truck and ripping the roof off. That's a safety feature, but it's not really safe. I saw a special on television about that. That guardrail really just breaks off. A lot of companies don't want to invest the money to reinforce that. So we want to back off. Sound like I hear a motorcycle. So we're at 36 miles an hour. Everyone's starting to pick up, but yep, there's the motorcycle. And whenever the weather's really nice, you're going to have people out riding bikes. We're picking up about 10 miles an hour. We're at about 51. So that's fine. I'm looking around for space. I'm making sure I'm not tailgating. The one thing I need you to do is check your mirrors. You need to know who's around you. Are they in your blind spot? Oh, there's a white vehicle in my blind spot. I just looked. You'll see it. See that vehicle? They were in my blind spot. If I didn't look, I would have come over and hit them. Eventually, I'll change lanes to the left. We're at about 60. Speed limit here is 70, so eventually I'll get over. We're at 62. Okay, looking over my shoulder, accelerate through. But if I go too fast, I'll run out of fuel. If I go too slow, I'll hold up traffic. So you gotta find the balance. Looking at the fuel gauge, I'm like, whoa, it's getting low there. Speed's pretty good. I'm looking ahead. This vehicle is like a SUV a little bit, so I can see over. It's not like super big, but I have a little visibility, and that it makes you feel safe. See a lot of cars coming over. Because I'm an instructor, I analyze the environment. Yeah, this is at equinox.